Ito yung parang basketball game namin ng UAAP. Paragang dikdikan yung labanan nito eh. Ang competition na to talagang nakita namin how the armies develop yung kanilang shooting skills and technology. When you talk about shooting skills, talagang biro mo makikita mo yung kanilang seriousness on how to play the game to compete one another without losing that unity and friendship thing. But at the same time, makikita mo yung mga baril nila nag-i-improve every year. Nagsishare sila ng mga bagong techniques on how to shoot the firearms, the machine guns. You will learn a lot in firing their machine guns sa mga Indonesians. They are really good in the machine guns.
And the armies in turn learn and things that they
Palitan. Especially yung mga bagong miyembro, yung Cambodia, Myanmar, Laos. These are new countries na unti-unti nang umaangat. Brunei, Singapore, Malaysia, ito medyo advanced na rin eh. Pero yun nga lang, hindi naman pwedeng lahat manalo.
And you'd say successful ang hosting ng Philippines.
The hosting generally is successful. We were able to emphasize yung hospitality, Filipino hospitality. Makikita mo naman masaya. Yung siyempre sa competition may mga nagrereklamo, nagprotesta, but at the end hindi naman siya ganun kaseryoso. On all A-arms may ganun eh. So this time na-address naman lahat. We showed them that we are fair, we want to give a good game. But ang pinaka-importante yung talagang yung mga programs, mga cultural shows na pinakita natin sa kanila.